What's going on, guys? This is George here, travel filmmaker and photographer based in Miami. It's been an incredible amount of time since I last posted a YouTube video a bit over a year ago, which is absolutely crazy to think about how fast time flies. But I'm really excited to be posting this video for you guys and update you guys because so much has happened in that last year that it'll be hard to cover it all, but I do want to give you guys a gist of what I've been up to and most importantly, the future of this channel. To start, the biggest reason I haven't been active on YouTube as much as I'd hoped is because I've been super focused on my production studio and client work, which of course has brought me so many cool opportunities, friendships, travel, and really projects that I've been very happy to be a part of. For example, I got the opportunity to direct 3 global campaigns for Travel Pro, a major suitcase company. The first one I decided to shoot in Cape Town, South Africa, with the goal of making this a cinematic road trip. I mean, this place is absolutely stunning. The views here are next level. So this place made it very easy for me to do this. And in the end, I was really happy, and so was the client. It was definitely challenging with planning, finding the right people, scheduling, and really everything in between a production like this needs. As well as the other campaigns in Rio, I shot with my friend Clarissa with the goal of capturing the vibrant streets and spirit of Rio, which honestly I think we did a great job, and the client was also very happy with this one. First 2 were very cinematic, but the last one we shot in Paris, and it was a much more dynamic, on-the-go, faster-paced piece. Shot with my friend Ori. We had some amazing transitions here, and honestly shooting in the streets of Paris was very cool. If you guys get the chance to check that out. I've also been focused on editorial for Carter's summer campaign, branded content with Get Your Guide, shooting lifestyle and studio work for CPG brands, e-bikes, NASCAR, and really a lot of clients in between. And as much as I like this work, it could be difficult to balance out all the other things I want to do, the things that got me into film and production in the first place. You see, when I picked up a camera, I wanted to document the world and share unique stories that I'm passionate about. But I've been walking this fine line of working on cool projects and having to put my personal goals on the back burner. And I don't really have regrets, but if I do have one, it's definitely not growing this channel in my 20s, and I do wonder what could have been if I had put that same amount of work and effort into everyone else's vision into my own. And the longer I kept putting it off, the easier it is to say next week I'll do it, and weeks turn into months, months turn into years, and I know I'm just postponing the thing that lit me up the most. And of course, then there's overthinking, and I know this is a big one for a lot of people, and it definitely affects me too. So they're analyzing every possible outcome, how this could go wrong before I even start. But shifting the goal from perfect to just starting has helped me so much outside of YouTube, because once I'm in motion, that resistance fades and actions quiet overthinking. And I don't have it all figured out, but I know I need to do the exact same thing I did outside of YouTube here, and just start. Stop overthinking, just start. So this video is officially my comeback back to my roots. Whether you know me from Instagram, I've been here since day 1, or you're just finding this channel, and get ready because I'm really excited to start sharing the world's most unique stories, adventure, storytelling, filmmaking, lifestyle, equipment, and really take you on a journey with this channel. I want to explore places people are curious about or overlook, hike the world's most active volcanoes, step into forgotten culture, meet people with insane perspectives, and share experiences that challenge the way we see life. But most importantly, I want this channel to give you something real. Whether it's inspiration, education, value, or just saying yes to that thing you've been putting off, I want you to walk away from every video with something that moves you. So this is me not waiting for the perfect moment to do this anymore. This is me chasing it for real this time, not for the algorithms, but for the stories that need to be told, and for the version of me who knew this was the path I should have taken all along. I'll see you guys in the next video.